Hello, practicer. Welcome to Crazy Chinese. I'm your Chinese coach, Ke. In previous lessons, you have learned some simple words of Chinese, like greetings, how to say thanks, how to express sorry, apology, right? How to say thank you. You also have learned basics of pinyin and tunes, right? So I guess you may be curious about the way to write Chinese characters. So in this lesson, I will tell you the way to write Chinese characters. Alright, I will show you something. Look at the characters on my paper, on my notebook, okay? The first one is one, a horizontal line. It's a Chinese character. It means one. Number one. Two lines. Two. Okay. Three lines. Three. This one. Four. Okay. Four Chinese characters. So this sort of characters, this type, is single component character. Only single component. Let me teach you how to write them, okay? It's very, very easy. So, okay, first one, just a horizontal line. The second, 1, 2, okay? Next, 1, 2, 3, okay? The last one, please pay attention to the strokes order. So it has a specific order, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 strokes. It means 4 in Chinese. Okay, very easy. So next, I will teach you more complicated one. It's called compound character. So one character consists of a couple of components. So it has a specific structure, maybe a left-right structure, maybe a top-bottom structure, or left-center-right structure. Okay. First one, 你好, remember? 你好, how are you? Okay. 你, let me tell you how to write 你. Okay, look. So, firstly, write this one. So, this component on the left, in Chinese it's called 人字旁,人字旁. 人, this character is 人. 人 means person, people, human beings. Okay, 人. So, 人字旁, the 人 component is like this one. And a vertical line. Okay, this is called 人字旁. If you saw a character has a 人 component, it is probably relevant to persons like 你, okay? 你. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 strokes. Okay? So this is the left component. This is the right component. Okay? The right component is another Chinese character called 儿. Okay? 人 component. 儿. These two characters pieced together, yeah, it's 你, you. Okay? Let me show you again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 你. Okay, next one, 好. 好 is also a character which is a left-right structure. Okay. The left part is 女. Okay, 女 means female. Female. Lady girl, it's female, like this. 1, 2, 3, 3 strokes. The right component, right one, 1, 2, 3. This part called 子. 子 means song, your song, okay? Song. Okay. 女子 piece together is 好. Let me show you again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's 好. 好 means good. Okay? Not very hard, not very difficult, I think. Okay, so for how to write Chinese character, you may need to practice very hard about the strokes. There are some special strokes in Chinese. You need to practice them again and again, you know. So speak of these strokes, you can just consult the internet. There are many excellent materials available, some resources available on the internet. Just Google them. So you can Google Chinese strokes. Okay, I won't repeat them here because it's really trivial. It's tedious, maybe. Yeah, right. I will show you a more complicated one here. So 谢谢, 谢谢你. What does that mean? Thank you, right? Thank you. I will show you how to write 谢, the character 谢. Okay, it's a left, center, right structure. It's more complicated than 你. Okay. Okay. The left part is called 言字旁, 言 component. Originally, it looks like this one. This character is a real Chinese character. It means words or speak, talk, right? So 谢, you speak 谢 to other party. So it's related to talk, right? So it has a 言 component. Okay, 言. This one is a simplified Chinese. It's a transformation of this one. Okay, so in the middle, the center component, this one. Okay, this one is 身, right? 身 means body. Okay, let me show you again. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 strokes 身. So on the right part, on the right side is 寸. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 寸 is a unit of length, like inch. Yeah, it's a unit of length, right? So piece these 3 parts together, it will be a 谢. Let me show you again. 1, 2, 2 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah. 谢. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 strokes. 谢. Yeah, 谢谢你. 谢谢你. Okay, 谢谢你. Thank you. Okay. So that's all for this lesson. If you want to know more about how to write Chinese, please add a comment to this video, or you just add my WeChat on the right bottom corner of the blackboard. Okay. So just install the WeChat application on your mobile phone and add my account. Add me as your friend. Then we can talk. You can ask me questions. I'm willing to answer to you. Okay? And you can talk to me. Yeah, that is very cool, right? Okay. Hope you enjoyed this video. Next video, I will teach you how to introduce yourself. Okay? Thank you very much.